Let's start today's session. So in the last session, we were discuss about basic data types and advanced data types in Python programming. So before that, let's open your project. So this is your project Python full stack 8 p.m. And right now we are using PyCharm editor. So it's not your project, sorry. I have to open your project. Go to file and click on open. And now you can see this is Python project 8 p.m. is your project name. So let me discuss today. So we discussed in the last session all these things: data types in Python programming, basic data types, none, numeric classified into int, float, bool, complex. Okay. So those who are new to this session, I strongly recommend to watch my previous lectures. Like 4 videos are there in YouTube channel. Okay, let me show you once. So those who are new to this session especially, I strongly recommend to watch my videos in DURGASOFT YouTube channel. This is the 5th session and this is the last demo of your sessions. Tomorrow onwards, the paid link will be there. Only enrolled students can join from tomorrow. So that's what those who are new to this session, you just go to YouTube. And in the search, YouTube search, you can type DURGASOFT. Once you type DURGASOFT, you will be able to see Durga Software Solution here. Once if you are able to see this Durga Software Solution, just look at this playlist option is there. In this playlist option, you can find my batch videos. This batch videos, 9 p.m. 4 videos, they were uploaded. This is the 5th session. So I strongly recommend to watch these 4 lectures. Okay. So those who are new to this session, even once your enrollment process is over, you will also get these 4 videos and continuation videos daily. But only in YouTube channel, they'll upload only first 5 videos of every batch. So more videos you cannot find. Hope you understand that. And we discussed in the last session sequence data types like string, list, okay, tuple, all the rules and regulations. Let me show you. This is not yours. Now you can see string, list, tuple we discussed in the last session. Today we'll see remaining data structure and its rules and regulations. But each and every data structure purpose I explain clearly. And in upcoming sessions, once we complete operators and control flow statements programming, we'll discuss each and every data structure in detail. Okay, every data structure is having a lot of functions, but all functions we'll discuss in detail. So here in this previous lecture and this lecture, I'm just explaining about each and every data structure and how to create it and what is the purpose. As I said in the last session, string str represents string in Python. String is group of characters or sequence of characters. We can create a string by using what? Single quotes, double quotes, triple quotes, triple double quotes also. Generally, multi-line string creation we can do with triple quotes. Normal string creation, either you can go with triple double quotes and single quotes. String is immutable object. As I said, in every data structure, so we need to think about 2 terms. One is immutable and mutable. Immutable, some data structures are having immutable nature and some data structures are having mutable nature. Immutable means cannot change or modify. Mutable means can change or modify. So if any data structure is having mutable nature, like list, that can be changed directly or modification directly. But string is immutable, no? We cannot modify that string directly. Okay, yes. I just discussed about list also. List is ordered collection of elements. List can be created by using square bracket. It's compulsory. So in Python, all the list of elements we can enclose it within the square bracket. List will allow different data type elements. Means inside the list, we can include one element is integer, one element is character, one element is string, one element is float, like that. It will allow different data type elements, and it will allow duplicate elements also possible. Yes, in list, we can include duplicate values also. List is mutable completely. Mutable means what? Modification is possible. We can change. I'll talk about this modification, how to do. If we try to modify immutable object, why it doesn't allow the modification, I'll discuss later. Okay. Now, even tuple rules also we discuss. What is the tuple difference? List and tuple difference. Tuple is ordered collection of elements, same as list. Tuple can be created by using round brackets like parenthesis, but while creating tuple, brackets are optional, not compulsory. And tuple will allow different data type elements, and tuple also allow duplicate elements. Tuple is immutable, whereas list is mutable. This is the main differences. We cannot change the tuple directly. We cannot add the values, or we cannot remove the values from the tuple. But if you want to create a list with single element, it's possible. But if you want to create a tuple with single element, what we need to do? After the element, we should provide the comma symbol compulsory. Already we discussed this. So here t equals to 10. 10 after comma is there or not? Yes. So comma is there. Just because of comma only, we can able to create tuple with single element. Look at this tuple type. Single element is there, tuple type it is there. But if I don't provide any comma here after single element, it will not leads to tuple. It leads to what? Integer only. So this is tuple rules and regulations. Now today we'll start with the remaining data structure rules and regulations like set, dictionary, range. We will discuss today. So byte array, frozen set, I cannot discuss at this moment. Later we'll discuss, because this byte array, frozen set directly we cannot create. So we need to create from other data structures through. So in later session, we will cover this also, but today our focus is set, dictionary, range only. So what is set? How to work with set? Okay, let me talk about set. Point number 1. So string is ordered collection of elements, order collection of characters. String is ordered, sir. List is ordered, tuple is ordered. But what is set? Set is unordered collection of unique elements. Yes, it is completely unordered. Set is unordered collection of unique elements. Set is unordered collection of unique elements. Unordered means no order. Every time when we execute, the order of elements might be changed. Okay, and unordered collection of unique elements means no duplicate values allowed in set. Set will not allow duplicates. All are unique elements. Next point. We can create a set by using what we can create a set by using flower brackets. Yes, how to create set means using flower brackets, curly brackets. But don't create a set, empty set by using flower brackets. Okay, but because when we try to create empty set means set with no elements. When we try to create empty set or set with no elements, if we use empty flower brackets, it leads to dictionary. Okay, dictionary also in Python we can create by using what? Curly braces. So to create an empty set, then we use what? Set function we have to use, not curly braces. Set function I have to use. To create an empty set, then we use what function, sir? Set function I have to use. Okay. Next, I'll show you all this example. Next, set will allow different data type elements. Yes, possible, sir. Set will allow different data type elements. In the set, one element is integer, one element is float, one element is string, like that. But make sure that all elements must be unique. No duplicate elements are possible. So set will not allow duplicates. Set will not allow duplicate elements. Yes. But set is mutable. Mutable means we can change. Modification of the set elements are possible to change directly. Set is mutable, we can change. So these are all rules and regulations about set. Set is unordered collection of unique elements. We can create a set by using flower brackets. But to create an empty set, that means set with no elements, don't use empty flower brackets. It leads to dictionary. We have to use set function only. Set will allow different data type elements. Set will not allow duplicate elements. Set is mutable. We can change. Let's see practically. I'm trying to create one set. S equals to how to create set flower brackets. But look at this. I'm trying to use empty flower brackets. But what it leads type of S means dictionary type. It's not set type. Look at this. It leads what? Dictionary. So do you want to create empty set means simply we can go for set function. We have to do empty set creation is like this only, set function through. Okay, but look at this. I'm trying to create set with elements means like 10, 20, 30, 40. But set is ordered? No, it is unordered. Look at this, how the way I created 10 to 40. But how the way it is displayed 40, 10, 20, 30 like this. It's completely unordered collection of unique elements. Unique elements means no duplicate elements are possible in set. Even when we try to give duplicate elements also, it won't give any error. It simply ignore. So duplicate elements are going to be ignored. Now you can see only original or unique elements only there. But set will not allow duplicates. Duplicates are not possible. But set will allow any different data type elements are like float value. Yes. Next integer value. Yeah. Sorry, string value. Yes. Okay, even one single character, but actually even character also treated as string in Python. But look at this, all the different type of values are coming on this. Now you can see one string, one float, one integer, one character, like all type of formats are there. But make sure that it is unordered. What order I maintain in the set creation, all elements, it's not will be in, it's not in the same order. And every execution to execution might be order change. Look at this, order is changing. Okay, so it is unordered collection of unique elements. To create an empty set, we use set function. It will allow different data type elements. It will not allow duplicate elements. Set is mutable. We can modify the set. How to modify the set, we'll discuss later. And one more thing I said already in the last lecture also, every data structure is having its own rules and regulations. Every data structure is having its own functions. One data structure functions we cannot apply on other data structures. For example, we discuss string. String data structure functionality we cannot apply on list. List functions we cannot apply on set. Set functions we cannot apply on tuple, like that. So how do you know that set related functions means? As I said that print dir of set. So directory list of set functions. So these many functions we can apply on set. Add, clear, copy, difference, difference update, discard, intersection, intersection update, is disjoint, is subset, is superset, pop, remove, symmetric difference update, union update, all these things. Okay, every data structure is having like these functions. If you want to know that list functions, print dir of list, list related functions we are getting. To know about tuple functions, you can just type tuple only, tuple object. So tuple related functions. Each and every data structure is having its own functions, and one data structure functions we cannot apply on other data structures. We know that already. This is about set rules and regulations. Next, I'm talking about dictionary, DICT. In Python, what is dictionary? So point number one, DICT is, that means dictionary. In Python, DICT represent always dictionary only. DICT is a collection of items. DICT is a collection of items. In dictionary, each item can be a pair. Each item can be what's a pair. Pair means that is key and value, sir. Each item can be a pair, that is key and value. Dictionary is a collection of items. In dictionary, each item can be a pair, that is key and value. Each item can be a pair, that is key and value. So next, how to create dictionary? We can create a dictionary by using flower brackets. Flower brackets through we can create dictionary, same as set only. But it leads to empty dictionary, including flower bracket. Inside that, if we don't use any key and value pair, it leads to empty dictionary only. Once when we use key and value pairs, it will take one item. One key, one value is nothing but one item. Like that, we can prepare multiple items in the dictionary also. We can create a dictionary by using flower brackets. Yes. Now, in dictionary, keys are immutable. Keys are what? Immutable. Means what? We cannot change the keys. Yes, we cannot change the keys. Once we create keys, that cannot be changed. In dictionary, values are mutable. Means we can change the values. We can change the values. Values can be changed. Suppose we are all employees, for example. Each and every employee is having employee ID. So consider that employee ID is a key, dictionary key. Employee name is what? Value. So employee key can never be changed. Employee name we can change, values that is can change. But in dictionary, keys must be unique. In dictionary, keys must be unique. No duplicates keys available. That means no duplicate. No duplicate. No duplicate keys. But in dictionary, values need not to be unique. Values need not to be unique. Means duplicate values are possible. Keys must be unique. Keys are immutable. We cannot change the keys. Keys must be unique. No duplicate key. Even if you try to create duplicate key through any dictionary, it won't allow. It simply ignore. No error. Dictionary values need not to be unique. Any duplicate values also we can include, and values can be changed also. Not a problem. And most important thing is in dictionary, keys and values can be of any data type, but it should satisfy key rule also. I will tell you key rules. So in keys and values can be of any type, any data type is possible. Like key can be integer, key can be string, key can be none, key can be boolean like true. Values can be integer, value can be float, value can be character, value can be string, value can be tuple, value can be list, like that. Mostly any data type. But some things are there here at the time of keys. So keys are actually immutable, but in place of immutable position, mutable object we cannot include. That also I'll discuss. Okay. Yeah. These are all rules and regulations about what? Dictionary. Dictionary is a collection of items. In dictionary, each item can be a pair, that is key and value only. We can create dictionary by using flower brackets. Keys are immutable, cannot change the keys. Values are mutable, we can change the values. Keys must be unique, that means no duplicate keys. Values need not to be unique, duplicates are possible. Keys and values can be of any data type. Let's see this all rules and regulations about this dictionary. I'm trying to create first D equals to empty flower brackets, print D. Then what I'm trying to do, print type of what? D only. So let's run this. Now you can see curly braces, DACT dictionary. But the moment when I try to give 1, 2, 3, 4, is this dictionary? No, it's not dictionary. What about this? It's completely set, because here inside the curly brackets we use all what 1, 2, 3, 4 values, but these are all considered as completely keys. So keys means only like set only, but dictionary, how it leads, every key it should be paired with value, no? So 1 is a key, name is Sai. For example, 2 is a key, Durga is a value. Suppose 3 is a key, Manoj is the value. 4 is a key, Raj is the value, like this. So now this time it is dictionary, because each and every key value pair is there, no? One item. How many items are there? 4 items are there. These values are associated with their respective keys. Keys must be unique, I said. Okay, yes, unique keys only there. 1, 2, 3, 4. But what happens if I try to give any duplicate key? Already one key is there. The value Sai is associated with that. Again, one more key I'm using, 1. Durga is associated with that key. But is that possible? No. But will it give error? No. It takes any one of the key value pair, but which value we cannot say. It's randomly take. Now you can see only one key value pair is available in the output, but there is one more key value pair is there, but that's not going to accept because duplicate keys. So values can be duplicate. Suppose already the name of the person Sai, again one more person also there. Yes, because their identity different, like keys are different. Now key can be of any type. Yes, key can be a name, like string only, you know, string key it is. Key can be a string type. Key can be integer type, like this previously what I include. Key can be float type, 1.9. Key can be character type. It's a string only. Okay, almost all same. Yes. Value can be string. Value can be integer. Value can be float. Value can be tuple, like value can be list. List type value. Its list is value or not? Yes. Value can be tuple, that means round bracket. Now value can be set. Look at this, flower brackets. Value can be set. But value, there is no problem, sir. But there is some problem with keys, I will tell you now. So just observe here. Okay. So here I'm taking this. But in the key position, if I take a tuple, okay, tuple with multiple elements like 1, 2, 3. It's a tuple or not? Round brackets, tuple. Is this allowed in the key position tuple data structure? Yes. But look at this. The moment when I give this square bracket, square bracket representation is what? List. Is this allowed dictionary key as a list? No. Type error, unashable type list. What does it mean? Sir, why tuple is allowing, why not list is allowing? So look at this. The rule of list is, I discussed in the last session. List is mutable, means we can change. Now rule of dictionary key is what actually? In dictionary keys are immutable. We cannot change. So we cannot place the mutable object in the position of immutable key. That is the problem. Okay. So dictionary key is immutable. We cannot change, but we are keeping what? List only. List is mutable. That will allow changes, but keys cannot be changed, no, in dictionary. Yes, but tuple is there, no? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 tuple is there. Tuple is what? Immutable. Yes, dictionary key also what? Immutable. Both are matching. Perfect. So I said clearly, tuple is what? Immutable. Tuple is immutable. Dictionary key is also immutable. Both are matching. So both are matching means it's correct. But look at this set I'm taking. Set means like curly braces. 1, 2, 3 flower brackets. So according to set rule, what is that? Set is mutable. We can change. But dictionary keys are immutable. We cannot change. This will also give us error. What error? Look at this. Same unhashable type set only. So this is the rules are actually this position is dictionary key position. According to dictionary, keys are immutable. We cannot change. So in this position, immutable objects only we can include. Mutable objects no. So dictionary key can be a none. Yes, none type. It is one basic data type. No, none. Dictionary key can be a true. Dictionary key can be a true. True means like Boolean. No. Yes, possible. Value can be true. Yes, possible. All the type of values are possible. Only the thing is mutable, immutable. You have to cross check. This is dictionary rules and regulations. And last data structure for today's session, that is range. Range means it is used to generate range of values. It is used to generate the range of values. Range of values or sequence of values. By default, range will start from 0. And range is actually, look at this, range is immutable. That means we cannot change the range of values once we create it. Yes, once we create it, we cannot change the range values. It's not possible, sir. So range is used to generate the range of values. By default, range will start from 0 and range is immutable object. We cannot change. So how to create range, we'll see. So let's try to create a range. R is my range object. Range is a built-in function of 10. Range of 10 means range will start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why not 10? Because it is up to 10, not including 10. When we try to print R, when we try to print the type of R, look at this. R type is what type? Range type. But do you have any range of values like printing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? No. Why? Because R is a range type, range function to it created. But do you want to convert this range into list values? Yes, we can convert that into again list type. List of R means what? This will be list type. So we can go for set of R. So any type conversion, you can do that. Set type it is. We can go with tuple of R. I want to represent my range values into tuple format, tuple of R. Okay, let's go for list. So by default, range starts from what's up 0 and ends with what? Up to 10, including 9. So 10 is not including, excluding. Suppose I can start my range is 1. Yes, we can start your range is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to include 10 also in my range collection. 1, 11 means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like this. R equals to range of 1, 11. So now we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is what actually range. So starting value from where you want to start your range, stop value up to where you want to the range of values. There is one more option is that step is also that step. The default step is 1 only. It is optional. Start, stop, step. The default step is 1. But I am including what step 2 is there. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9 like this. So you can start your value from anywhere. 2 onwards, I'm starting 20 onwards, I'm 21 up to here. And step is 3. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 11 plus 3 like this. This is the range of values. So directly we cannot create range of values. We have to convert them into list or tuple or set. So this is range data structure in Python. So mostly we can use range in upcoming sessions also in everywhere. But remaining data structures are there: bytes, byte array, frozen set. This is not right situation to talk about this. For sure in upcoming session, once I complete operators, control flow statements like if else, nested if, elif, for loop, while loop, nested for loop, all this concept after we'll talk about this bytes, byte array, and moreover, this all data structure only basics I discussed. Each and every data structure, its complete functionalities I have to discuss. Okay. So once we complete operators and data control flow statements, from tomorrow we'll start this lectures. So this is the 5th lecture. We complete demo session at 9 p.m. As I said that for only few days, this 9 p.m. batch will be continued. Your time is 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. daily for a few days. Okay. Next, after a few days, you should join at 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Your official batch time is 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Already I said that at 8 p.m. already 25 students are there. Okay. So after enrollment process also, yeah, you can make not a problem. And tomorrow you will get link only enrolled student. You will get a link. You can join on that link only. So this link will not work from tomorrow because already we completed 5 demo lectures. So only enrolled students, you will get a new link for tomorrow session. I'll send a new link from my mail ID through only. And enrolled students' mail ID I'll collect from DURGASOFT. I will save the videos, recording videos, and this PDF material. As I shown that in the demo lecture, this complete PDF I can hand over it to you. Core Python, Advanced Python, Django, if you join for full stack. So this PDF will be hand over it to you. This Core Python PDF I can hand over it to you. And every day session is going to be recorded. That session recording videos we will upload to your Google Drive, sir. The session will happen from Monday to Saturday, and there is no Sunday class. And after a few days, this batch will be shifted for 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Shift from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. That's all from my side today. Please try to enroll tomorrow before session. Then only you will get a short link, that is GoToMeeting link, not Zoom meeting link. This link will not work from tomorrow. Okay. Yes. Do you really wish to continue my lecture? You have to enroll it. Fine. Anything do you want to ask me? You can proceed it. Mr. Rangavardhan, tell me how I can help you. Mr. Rangavardhan, can you hear me? How many years experience? Yeah. I have total 12 years teaching experience and 7 years working experience. Okay. Fine. Thanks for attending this session. Do you want to wish to continue this? Then you will save this record session and notes with me. Once I get your mail ID from DurgaSoft, I will say tomorrow morning I will show you. Okay. Once I'll talk to them. No, already Mr. Rangavardhan, the basic session I conducted. Okay. Yeah, this is completely basics only. Whatever I shown in the beginning session, YouTube channel, 4 videos are there. You can follow that videos. And anyway, once your enrollment process is over, you will also get that video lecture of mine. Yeah, it's okay, Mr. Rakap. Sorry. I'll take the mail ID from DurgaSoft. I'll send it. Okay. Tomorrow morning, mostly afternoon, you will get all videos up to now what I discuss and Python, core Python material also, PDF document also. Yes. Yes, as I said in my Mr. Jitendra Gunjal, I said in my demo lecture, only if you join core and advanced Python, it will take 45 days to 50 days, working days. And if you join for Python full stack, it will take 4.5 months. Because as I said, in full stack Python, core and advanced, Django framework, REST framework, Flask framework, UI, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, MySQL and SQL, all things need to be covered. No, that's what it takes 4.5 months for Python full stack. Only Python 45 days to 50 days. Please watch my last 4 lecture of videos in DurgaSoft YouTube channel, those who are new to this session, so that you will get clarity. So that's all for today from my side. I'll send a new link for enrolled students. Those who not enrolled so far, please try to enroll. So you will also get new link so that you can able to join from tomorrow. Already if you enroll, please ignore this. You just wait for link from us. See you tomorrow.